Hi, I'm Michelle, and this is JoJo, and we just wanted to share with you a little bit about emmiSKIN and what it has done for my face and my confidence. I've been using it for several months now, and it has truly made a difference in the look of my skin. I feel like my skin almost sort of glows now, and it definitely did not do that before. In addition, I reconnected with an old flame on Facebook, and as soon as he saw my pictures, he said, "Now, how long have you been using Botox?" And I had to say, I'm not using Botox. It's the skincare I'm using. So it definitely is noticeable. In addition to just feeling better about my skin, I mentioned it has also boosted my confidence and sort of motivated me to get back to the gym. And I have since lost about 95 pounds, and I just truly feel like a different person. And many people tell me I look like a different person. So just wanted to share that with you. I use the entire overnight collection, and I don't go a day without it. I love it. It truly has changed my world. Hopefully it'll change yours too. Thanks.